How to use your glass panel heater using the ThermoSphere app. Turning your heater on and off. Plug the heater in and turn on the power switch located on the right side of the radiator. A short beep will sound. All control buttons will appear on the display before fading, and only the power button will display. Open the ThermoSphere app. Press power to turn the heater display on. The room temperature will be displayed. For standby, press power. The temperature display will fade and your heater will go into standby mode. Setting the temperature. Press plus or minus for 1 degree temperature changes. The temperature limits are from 5 degrees to 45 degrees. Leave the buttons and the display temperature will revert back to the current room temperature. Setting the heating power mode. We recommend full power to get your room to temperature, then switch to half power mode to maintain your set temperature. Press mode and then select high. The app will show high and the display will show full sun symbol. For half power, press mode and then select low. The app will show low and the display will show the half sun symbol. To turn the heating off, press mode and select neutral. The display will go back to normal. Switching between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. To switch degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, simply press settings. Select CF and choose your preference. You'll then see the temperature display change accordingly on the panel heater. To change back to degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit, simply repeat the process. Setting child lock. To set the child lock, press settings. Press the lock toggle. The child lock symbol will display to highlight the glass panel heater is locked. To unlock, press the lock toggle again and the heater will revert back to normal functions. Setting a timer. Press settings and select countdown. You can set a timer from 1 to 24 hours. Once selected, the timer symbol will show. If you want to cancel or change your timer, repeat the previous steps and set the timer to cancel or the new time. Turn the display off, Eco mode. Simply press Eco. This will turn the panel heater display off. Press Eco again to turn the panel heater display back on. To find out more, visit www.thermosphere.com.